Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a mask that would actually help you to look younger again, reverse your age, and make you look rocking and hot. And you want to look 20, an anti-aging skin firming mask for wrinkled free skin, guys. You're going to be needing to use avocado, and avocado is an amazing ingredient that helps you glow. It masks up your face and firm it all up and make you look so beautiful, and it also make you look really smooth. So it therefore remove all of the wrinkles on your face and on your skin, and it also make your skin look even. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using a half cut of this avocado that I have already, and I'm going to be grabbing my spoon and then extracting the avocado from the avocado leaf. And now after which I've extracted it all up, after mashing it up, this is how it looks like. Okay, alright guys, so we're equally going to be needing to use green tea, and green tea is an amazing ingredient that helps so much for the skin. It helps to even out the skin, make the skin glow, and it actually makes the skin look wonderful, and it also rejuvenates and help the skin really polished. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be removing this. I'll grab my bowl again, cut in the green tea and open it all up, and then I'm going to be putting water in it. Then I'll stir it, I'll turn it. Alright, so after doing that, then I'll keep that aside for it to infuse together and get really let us actually get the color out of it. Alright, and then also we're going to be needing to use vitamin E oil. Now vitamin E oil is an amazing and essential ingredient that works wonders for the skin. It helps the skin glow, and it also firms the skin and tighten it all up. It makes it actually makes us look duper younger. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting just half of a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil, Now after doing that, then I'll have to stir and turn it all up together. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient, which is very important and which we are gonna be needing, is this, and this is cucumber. Now cucumber contains a whole lot of juice, and the juice in cucumber helps, you know, firm the skin up and makes the skin look really amazing. It makes the skin look really young, and it also removes fine lines and age-related problems such as age marks and all of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting it into pieces like this. So after that, then I'll have to turn it into a blender. And then I would blend it. After that is done, I'll get a sieve and then I'll sieve the juice out. Guys, so this is the cucumber juice, and I'm gonna be putting 2 tablespoons of it into the avocado, and then give it a stir. Okay, so after that is done, then we'll grab our green tea and then extract the juice from it, and this is the juice, and then we'll now be putting 2 tablespoons of the green tea juice in here. Your anti-aging firming mask All right, so what you do is that you can actually apply this feminine mask anywhere. If you have a loose skin on your hands, you can actually apply it on your body. You can apply it on your face. You can apply it. Okay, so everywhere you can literally apply this face mask everywhere on your body, and I'm gonna be using my hands for today. Okay. All right, so you spread it evenly onto your skin, and it is actually very soft and mild, and it's chill. Okay, so when you're done applying it on your face, your neck, your body, your hands, your leg, then what you do next is that you would have to be giving it a scrub, just like this. You have to give it a scrub in a circular motion, just like this. Just like this. Okay, so after which you scrub this very well, then you have to wait. You know, if you're applying it on your body, you have to wait for like 2 minutes. If you're applying it on your face, you have to wait for another 2 minutes also. But if you're applying it on your leg, you can wait for another 3 to 4 minutes, because the skin on your leg is a little, you know, harder than the skin on your face. Okay, so you wait for another 2 minutes, and then you go wash it off. Wash it off with a lukewarm water and a very wash it off with a very mild soap, and so that you don't have to ruin your result. Okay guys, so I actually just decided to use it on my hands. It's actually a mask that you can use on your body, on your face, your leg, your whole body, literally. So it is not just a face mask, but it is also a body mask. So you can go give this a go, and I'm sure it's going to make you look younger. Like, it's going to take 20 years off your age. Now, do you know what that means? That is amazing. That is sweet. It's going to make you look hot, and it's going to make you look shiny. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And I'll see you. Bye.